Hi guys, it's Amanda Renee, and in this video I'll be doing a perm rod set on my natural hair, so keep on watching. I have washed my hair and it has leave-in conditioner in it already. I'll put the leave-in conditioner that I used on the screen. So as you're seeing, I am just unraveling the twist that I had in my hair, and I will be parting my hair in the sections that I want to use for my rod set. Okay, so the mousse that I'll be using is one from Alikay Naturals. I would have done a wash and go using this mousse. I'll put the thumbnail on the screen and I'll also put the link in the description box. But here is the mousse if this is your first time watching my video. And it said that you should work the product on damp hair, what you would have seen me do in the previous clip. And for this style, I don't want precise parting. Don't mind that I already sectioned off my hair, but I don't want precise parting, so I am going to just separate using my fingers and we will go from there. My hair is damp and I'll just be putting the mousse in my hair now. Probably about 3 pumps because I'm working with smaller sections. So I don't want it to be too saturated, although it feels like it's extremely saturated right now. But that is fine because I know that it will dry clear without any flaking. And I'll be doing this rod set in a spiral motion. So I will wrap my ends because you have to make sure that your ends are neat, or else it's going to ruin the whole style. And I'm just twirling. Securing it in place now, and that is what I'm going to be doing for my entire hair. So I'll be back when that is completed. Of course I will show a montage, but I'll be back when everything is completed. All right, guys, so this is the finished wet result. Here are what the rod set is looking like so far. Let me just turn a little bit so that you can see. So this is how much I used. You can't really tell, but I used a little bit, about this much of the mousse to achieve my rod set so far. And I transitioned from 3 to 2 pumps because some sections were smaller than others, so I didn't see the need to use a lot. And now it's just time to dry, and I'll be back when it's time to unravel my hair. All right, guys, so it is 2 days later. I would have wanted to take down the rod set yesterday, but I just wanted to give it an extra day to completely dry. So here we are now, and you will see me unravel these. I'll just unravel this one so that you could get an idea as to how my hair will look. I am actually kind of nervous because I've never done my hair in this way before, but there's a first time for everything. And as you're seeing, I am trying to keep the curl pattern as much as possible, keeping the curl, and here it is. From what I'm seeing, my hair feels really nice, and my hair does feel really soft with the mousse and the leave-in conditioner that I used. So I'm kind of excited about how this will turn out. So I will keep unraveling, and then I'll be back when everything is completed. So these are what my results are looking like. I got up to look in the mirror, and the spirals, the curls look so cute. I can't wait to see how my hair will be when I separate these. I'm not going to do too much separation because I don't want that much frizz yet, but the bounce, the curl definition, and the softness are all there. I will unravel my hair and we will see what happens. So I'm just going to unravel this one on camera for you. you see how my hair just naturally separates right here? I will take that and I will just separate. Looking for any other pieces that naturally separate. If I don't see any, I'm not going to bother too much. And I think I'm finished with this one. It looks so cute from what I'm seeing. So I'm going to do the rest of my hair and I will be right back. So after separating and looking in the mirror, I look like Curly Sue. But it's kind of growing on me because it took a while for the last perm set that I did to grow on me as well. But I like it. Besides me looking like Curly Sue, I can say that the mousse and the leave-in conditioner did a really good job at defining my curls, and it also, well, sorry, they also made my hair really soft, so that is a plus. I would either put a text across the screen saying how long it lasted, or I would just simply put it in the pinned comment. So definitely check that out to see the duration of the combo. But like I said, it's growing on me and it's not a bad style. I would give the mousse a 7 or an 8 out of 10 for this specific style. That may change depending on how long these curls are able to last, but so far so good. And regarding the sticky feeling, there is absolutely none on my hand. But that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, definitely like this video, and if you want to see more content from me, definitely subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. And share this video with someone who is interested in trying a new natural hairstyle, or someone who's just interested in natural hair content. Definitely send this video to them, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.